Hello, students! Today we are going to be learning about the environments that exist throughout Utah. The vast, beautiful state of Utah is covered by three different environments. These environments are deserts, wetlands, and forests. Depending on where in Utah you are, you could be in any of these three environments. These three environments are what make Utah the incredible state that it is. The first environment is in Utah, and the one that covers most of our land is the desert. 3/4 of Utah is made up of cold desert. Cold deserts have hot summers, but extremely cold winters. These deserts are found in mountainous areas like Utah. Deserts receive less than 10 inches of rainfall per year. That's not very much rain, is it? As you know from the many snowmen you've built, we still get snow in Utah. Deserts are characterized by their lack of rainfall only. Not only do deserts lack rain, their soil also lacks nutrients. This means plants must learn to grow in a harsh environment, and that food is more difficult for animals to find. Animals also must have bodies that help protect them from the hot sun. The next environment in Utah is called a wetland. A wetland can be anything from a swamp or a marsh to a lake or a river. Utah has both freshwater and saltwater wetlands. Can you think of a saltwater wetland in Utah? Can you think of a freshwater wetland? Since water is the highlight of the wetland, it makes sense that plants in wetlands must be able to exist either submerged or completely underwater. Just like these plants, animals are also adapted to live their lives either completely underwater or both on land and in the water. The last environment in Utah is the forest. These beautiful, colorful environments are one of Utahns' favorites, especially in the spring and fall. Forests cover Utah's mountainous regions and comprise two different types of trees, deciduous and coniferous. Deciduous trees, like aspens or cottonwood trees, change colors and lose their leaves in the fall, whereas coniferous trees, like blue spruce, have pine needles that stay intact all year long. The climate of a forest can range anywhere from freezing temperatures to hot summers. So animals must survive in multiple seasons. Often their coats change depending on what season it is. Different environments throughout Utah are home to many different types of plants and animals. These plants and animals live in the environment where they can survive, and because of this would most likely not be able to live in one of the other environments. The moose has fur that helps him stay warm, while the tiger salamander's life cycle helps him to live both on land and in water, requiring a wetland. The prickly pear cactus stores water in its stem, since it lives in a desert, and the big-tooth maple follows the seasons of the forest. Next time you go for a drive through the desert or pass by Utah Lake, think about where you are and what you notice. Utah is lovely, and we should enjoy the beauty it has to offer.